Hey guys, have you been looking for the best passive income ideas to earn money online with a residual income system? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in the online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to show you a turnkey residual income system where when you make sales, you keep 80% of every dollar. And it's very, very important to have a high converting high income producing system that allows you to get a lot of money back for every sale. And this is what this allows you to do. So basically, when you get a opportunity that you have or you have an offer, you need some kind of system to be able to capture leads, to be able to build your email list, to be able to do the follow-up for you, so that way you can make money online. Without the system and the place for people to go, you won't make any money. And the goal is to build your email list. So if you look at the email list, it's like the hub to everything that you're doing. Everybody goes to your email list, people from Facebook, people from YouTube, and the email list grows, right? So typically when you get a system that people do for you, they want you to set up your domain, they want you to link your domain to the system, then they want you to add the emails to the system to be able to go out for you. But typically you're just getting started. So you might have a domain that you've bought and the domain is not warmed up. So if you get your own domain and you do that, then your emails are going to end up in the spam box and they're not going to go to the inbox of the people that you want to see your emails. So if you've been wondering why you're getting low results, low open rates, and you're not getting the kind of results that you want with your business, it's typically because people probably aren't seeing your emails and the system that you're using is not very effective, right? So with this system, we've designed it to where we're going to send out the emails on your behalf and they're going to be coded to you so you get the commissions and you make the money, right? So that's how this works. And so when you put your name and email into this page, and you can find this page by going to the description of this video and clicking on the second link. So this is going to be the second link in the description of this video. You're going to go to that link and you're going to put your information in, and it's going to send you a book on how to actually build and grow a residual income and exactly how systems work and how you can use them to build and grow any kind of business online. So the book that you're going to get, it's completely free and you can read it, and it will show you how to create a system. It will show you how to do it. It will show you the importance of systems, the importance of traffic, the importance of growing a residual income online, and having things very, very simple to use, right? The more simplicity, the better. That way you can actually make money without having too much tech challenge. And that's the whole goal for the system. We don't want you to get stuck up on tech, having to put things together. We want something that's done, ready for you to use and go and make money with, right? So that's how the system works. So inside here, you're going to also get access to a place where there's very nice pages. It's called the Template Club, and you could find this section inside here. So there's very nice pages that you can use to build and grow any business online. They were all custom made, and there's even a section to be able to use if you're a consultant or you're a coach. So this is a booking page, so you don't need anything like Calendly or anything like that. You can book all your appointments with your customers inside of here as well. And so you have this whole system that you can build anything out with. And we're going to show you how to do it the right way. So that way you finally get the results that you want. And so you don't have to struggle to figure out how to put all this together. We have it already ready to go for you. It's a turnkey system. And we show you how to get traffic every single day. So if you've ever wondered how to get traffic the right way, we show you how to build your email list. We show you how to create video content. We show you how to rank that video content. We show you how to write emails, right? So the emails are going to be very important. And then we show you how to connect with people on social media, on platforms like Facebook. And so you can make a real connection with people, and you could find out what they need and actually help them. So if you're ready to get your hands on this system, all you got to do is go to the video description and click on the second link, and you'll be able to get this system completely for free. It'll show you how to actually build and grow your business online. And if you decide to put this system in place, you'll be working with me personally, and I'll be able to help you with whatever you need. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. Also, make sure if you have any questions or comments, put them below this video. I will answer all the questions and comments. I have a free Facebook group where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online as well. You could get into my Facebook group. There's going to be a link in the description for that as well. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Leave them below. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.